Hi, it's Lauren from Fine & Country in South Molton, and welcome to Deason Farm and Hire Deason Court. Offered to the market for the first time in over 120 years, this really is something quite special. Deason Farm is a 3-bedroom detached farmhouse, but that's not all. We also have Hire Deason Court, which is a 5-bedroom detached barn conversion, both unrestricted and available for full residential use. The grounds here are equally as delightful as the homes. Sat in approximately 7 acres of grounds, we've got lovely established gardens and a perfectly positioned 5-acre paddock. I am now in the centre of the pretty village of Chittleham Holt, where these homes are positioned. And as you can see behind me here, it is home to the popular Exeter Inn, which is a fantastic village pub. There's also a shop just down the road and the well-known Mole Resort. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about these homes, please do give us a call on the number below. We'd love to show you around.